Hi everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about one of the assessments taken by private schools and also taken by grammar schools if you're applying for in-year admissions. You must have heard about ISEB entrance. This entrance is normally done online. In this, children are tested for verbal, not verbal online for private schools. And also for grammar schools, they are tested online. In this assessment, if the children get a score more than 120 plus, they combine the scores for verbal and non-verbal. And if your child gets more than 120 plus, then they are assessed for grammar schools. And in private schools, they have if they pass the first stage online assessment by ISB, then they will be called for interviews. So you have to search and see if the private schools you are applying to does ISEB entrance, and Atom Learning is the one who covers everything about this entrance.